everybody, welcome to Princess Fun Place. Today we are going to make some slime, and these are all the ingredients we're going to need. So, the first things that we're going to need is, so for this slime, I'm going to need clear glue with sparkles. That's going to go into this bowl with this spoon. And the next slime I'm going to use with this white glue, and with this purple food coloring. We're going to try to put 2 drops of this inside, this color purple inside, so it won't look blue because I don't like when it turns blue very much. I do want it to turn purple. So for the next one, that's going to be in this bowl with this spoon. It's going to be the white glue with 1 drop of the green food coloring. And we do need liquid starch, but first we have to pour in this water. So this is the water bottle, and that we're going to pour in the water up to this for slime. So that's a measuring cup, so you know. I just wanted to say. Okay, so let's get started. I'm really excited. Okay, so what we're going to need first is this. Okay, so the clear glue is going to go into this bowl. Now I'm going to pour in the clear glue. I'm so excited of this part. Getting all of that glue. Now I'm going to put in the glitter. So we want a lot of glitter in because it's clear. Okay, that's enough glitter because look how much we got. We got up to here. That is a lot. So now I'm going to stir it up. So pretty, look at that. This slime, how it looks like now, is so smooth after I mixed it a lot. Look how smooth that and glittery that slime looks. Okay, now let's move on to the water. Okay, so I'm going to make sure. Okay, there we go. So we have enough water. Now I'm going to pour it in. Now let me stir it up. A long time we have to stir it up. Okay, now I'm going to pour a half cup of the liquid starch into the goo. There we go. Now I'm going to mix it up. Ooh, that looks gooey. Okay, now let's do it with my hands. Oh, that's so gooey. Oh, super gooey. I've been mixing this for a long time, and you have to if you want to do this type of slime. It's really gooey, so that's why we have to mix it a bit more. I mean, a lot more. It's starting to stick to each other, but you have to mix it more. So big, stretchy, and gooey. Oh, look how stretchy that is. so big. The best slime ever. Gooey. I love the color and it's stretchy and gooey. I think that's enough mixing. This is how stretchy it is. Whoa, that's so stretchy. Now I'm going to do the new slime. And hopefully it'll be purple. Okay, so I'm going to add in the glue. Oh, that was a lot of glue I put in at one time. Now I'm going to start putting in 2 cups of this. 2 drops of this color. I think it's going to be blue again because it looks kind of blue. Put this over there. Keep mixing. It's going to take us a long time to mix. Okay, now I'm going to add in the water. I'm going to stir that. Woo. With this thing, it kind of looks like slime. This looks so smooth, just like this slime. Okay, so I mixed it for about how much I had to, so now I'm going to pour in this. Okay, that's going to look like slime. So, and then stir it, stir, stir, stir. Oh, look how it's getting on the spoon. It's turning into slime. Whoa, and look. That's so funny that it's getting on the spoon, but we have to mix it. It makes bubbles. Really big bubbles. Look at that bubble. I think now I have to do it with my hands. It's so flobbery. I think I have to do the messy part now. Do it with my hands. That's the messy part. Okay. Oh, that's so gooey. Oh my. Don't think I'd be mixing it as much as I had to. But I'm doing the messy part. Okay, this one didn't come out how we wanted it. It just looks like a brain. So here's how it looks. Flobbery. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Ooh, that's stretchy. It looks like flobbery. And when it's flobbery, it's stretchy. It can stretch the whole entire table. I think we just have to stretch it. I think that's how it gets better. Because look, it already looks better now. Okay, now I'm going to do the green slime. Okay, pour in some glue. I hope it looks better than this one. Because that one did not go well. This time I'm going to try to stir it more. If that's the problem. Okay, now I'm going to put in the green food coloring. And then I'm going to pour in the water. Okay. Oh, that looks so beautiful. And it looks like grass. Green grass. Very green grass. left up there. See where I got the green here? Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Now put in the water. Okay. Keep on mixing. Don't want it to look like flobber again, like this one looked like flobber. We want the color to look smooth. Like this one looks smooth when we mixed it, and this one too. I love this slime. It's so beautiful. I just noticed something of this liquid starch. It kind of looks like milk. And now let's pour liquid starch in here. Into our beautiful slimy looking slime. Oh, this one's gonna look pretty. Gonna keep mixing until it looks like this one. Okay, now I think it's the messy part. Time to do it with your hands. I hope it doesn't look like the other one. That would be terrible. Kind of going to look like the other one. I think the clear glue is the best glue. Keep mixing. It's such a beautiful green. Let's see how stretchy it is. This is how the slime looks now. I think we should now play with my slime. So let's open up my pony. Let's open this. Since my hands are all wet from the slime. Okay, now I'm all done cutting it. Let's see. This is a collector's guide and a pony. Let's really quickly cut this up. We got Fluttershy and Flutterheart. That's so cute. Let's go and play with them with slime. Yay! Okay, so for Fluttershy, I think I would love to put on the sparkly color slime. There's Fluttershy. She's a sparkly dark pink, see? And she also has this little pink on her tail that's light. So I'm gonna stretch out that slime to put it on her. Look, she's a little slime ball. It's put on a way that you would see her legs in the front and her face. Oh, that looks like the skirts that the ponies wear now. Look. The ponies wear these type of skirts, only a little bit shorter. And dresses. The dresses would go over their wings. That's how the dresses would go in. If it was a marrying dress, I think it would have this on it. A different color now. Let's put on some green slime on her. Let her shine. I love green. Okay, so let's put it on her. Just made the green color. Oh, look, we can't even see Fluttershy's face. Oh, I see a little bit part of her tail. Squeeze it out more so we can see her body. Okay, break it, break. Keep breaking. Ah, look. Oh, my slime's falling down. Carry it. Oh, I need to carry it. Hey, it fell down. Now let me carry it more. Ah, now let's do the other pony. Purple. I only want to show her in purple because that's the only color I want to do. Okay. This slime is so cool. She's swinging on a swing and the swing is falling her down. Okay, come back, pony. Come back. Come back, pony. Come back. This is your stuff, pony. So you have to carry it. You carry it. Carry it. It's stuck onto you. Ow, I can't see it. Ow. This is so much fun, and this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everybody. Bye. Say bye, Fluttershy and Flutterheart. Bye-bye. They both look the same. They can both stand up like this. Bye. See you guys later. And on my next video.